I look so pale right now. I'm like dying to try this out. Today I will be reviewing the Complex Culture Good Glow Blush Duo. And I'm a person that loves grays, you know, grays, blacks, like, so this packaging looks beautiful to me. I've never heard of Complex Culture. I received it in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. One of my viewers kindly informed me that this is Ipsy's makeup brand. Whoever's like designing their like packaging, I really like their style. I was looking online to see what I could read up on it, and the first thing I want to tell you is that this thing is on sale. Usually retails $30. I see that is 50% off. So if you got it in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, or you're gonna get it, good for you. But if you saw it on other people's bags and you would like to see it, I'll leave it in the description down below. And they do have 3 different duos. So this one is the Chill So Rush. Then they have, that's the first one. Then they have another one, Blissed Out and Flustered. Then the deepest one is Spiced Up Be Content. It says this is a 2-in-1 blush duo, dials up cheeks in crush worthy color, pairing 2 complementary shades in different finishes for a filter like glowy radiance. Dermatologist tested, vegan and cruelty free. This is made in China. Put it here close for you. Want to see everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Then check out that videos on my channel. So look at this. Of course it's not going to be everybody's taste, but I think it's very beautiful. It does come with a beautiful mirror. Look how pretty these are. This is more like my kind of shade. I love like peaches, corals. I love them. This looks like really pink, but you never know how it's going to show up. I'll do some swatches. I will also try one in one cheek, one in the other. As you see, there are 2 different finishes. So this one is like a matte. I really like mattes. That's because I'm super oily. But you also have this one. This one, like I said in that other video, it reminds me so much of like NARS Orgasm Blush or the Milani Luminoso. But we will see how they actually look. So the reviews are pretty good on the website. 5 stars. So first one I'll swatch will be this one here. And this is massive. This is massive. 0.38 ounces. How pretty is that? That's really pretty, right? What do you think? Which one of these 2 do you like? I'm just building it up a little. As you can see, you can always like put them together or separate, however you would like. I'm super excited to swatch this one. Ooh, I really dipped my finger into that one, so don't mind me. Let me try it again like this, just soft. So you can see there's a huge difference. This one, I don't know what I was thinking. I was just like, but this is both of them the same. So let me swatch this one first. Okay, that's so pretty. And then let me swatch it like this. You see, it looks a bit darker, so it's buildable, which is a good thing. My blush brush here, in an amount like this, I'm gonna dust some off. And let me apply this. That looks so pretty. That actually looks gorgeous. It's gonna look different on everyone depending your skin tone. I just want to build it up a bit more. Oh my god, why does that look so pretty? It looks pretty, but I would still like prefer a coral shade, okay? Step into this beauty here. Oh my god, that picks up a lot. Or maybe I'm just very heavy-handed. And this is my application. I just usually like tap like this. Whoa. So, before this video, of course, I'm gonna have to put like the same blush. Right now I'm looking a bit crazy. Though the color is a bit, you could tell the difference, right? But, so this one has a little bit of a glow. I hope you can pick it up. Maybe you can't. I'm trying to like to turn in all directions. This one is nice, beautiful. This one, there's like some glow. Now for the nose, I just put a little bit on the top. I'm just gonna go like this. Bing, bing. Ooh. I mean, it's really easy to go overboard with this. Really easy. I like for you to see my blush, but, you know, not too intense. Now, I'm just gonna go here. And what I like to do, if you see that you applied it too rough, too intense, is just take, like, your powder, your setting powder, if you use one. If not, maybe take like your blending sponge or brush and just like tap everything, you know, go over it. But that would give it a really nice finish. Just go ahead and put your setting powder on top, whatever you had left over, and that would make it look beautiful. Have you received anything from Complex Culture before? Let me know. Do you like it? Were you impressed with this? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!